Morning people, Manchester Magnet men, back out in Manchester. Come to see this stretch a bit of a canal here, see what it's like, and see what we find. We're out today as well. Drastic G.
Alright everyone.
Probably seen us quite a lot of videos going on with Drastic. Plenty more to come, isn't there?
Oh, good job I didn't chuck that in.
Whoa,
Remember
nearly.
the last video where I cut the grapple off?
Oh yeah.
That was well.
So yeah. Jason using the grapple hook. Finding anything? Clicking onto stuff. Bit of evidence of people magnet fishing here already. Just leaving the crap around. Yeah, well look. Jason's pulled out first bike. Decent frame, that, doesn't it? Yeah. With the handlebars and the headstock, looks a bit upgraded.
Yeah, and the cog and the pedals.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's a decent bit of a about that.
Oh, chain fell off.
Someone's pride and joy has gone in the canal. Rebar.
Yeah, it's just a bunch of leaves, a bunch of branches, I think. Where that?
Yeah, what the hell is that?
Oh, mango together.
The bloody state of that. At least it's next to a bin light, but I don't think the council's doing a good job of cleaning this up, are they? All fall into the bloody canal, that.
Oh, these mini binoculars, are they? Mamiya.
Oh, oh, oh.
What are these? I have no idea.
That is weird. They are as well, aren't they?
Aye, aye, Captain. I might be able to see better with these.
Yeah.
I wonder what they're for though. Do you reckon they're like opticians, you know, when they put...
Yeah, they probably are, aren't they?
It's got like little, like adjustable... Oh, I think they are.
Yeah, they are,
No,
aren't
the
they?
tech... I think I broke it already. Oh, you know, like focal lengths in that.
Yeah.
I'm sure that's what opticians use. If anybody knows, can you let me in? If anybody knows what these are, can you let me know in the comments? I'm sure it's what opticians use, or used to use, before the digital ones. Made in Japan. That's pretty cool.
Cool, isn't it?
Interesting.
Yeah.
Jason, these.
On the bag.
Gavino Cavalier. Don't know. Oh, so that's inside out. I just checked it. Look. Not doing it. They can put like jewellery inside it.
Probably do, don't they? Yeah. Well, it might looks like a size like a pillowcase, doesn't it, or something?
Yeah, it could be. Imagine that. I'm thinking, yes, for jewellery, it's for a pillow.
Gary's just pulled out an old style camcorder. Look at that.
Right, guys, we're on the air canal.
Class, that, isn't it? God, it's a proper tape one on the side. Oh, the hell. Panasonic.
Microphone on it.
You can take that home and clean up. That's how it worked.
That's brilliant.
That's class, that. We're expecting that.
I think it was I. When I saw the strap, I just thought another stolen handbag. Doesn't look in bad condition, does it?
I'd open the cassette side, open it up. Proper camera, that proper.
Yeah. I don't know how you open it. This is like, you've seen them videos on YouTube where they get the kids to try and operate a Sony Walkman and they can't do it.
And they can't do
this
it.
is like me.
Come on.
I know how to use a Sony Walkman, but I don't actually know how to operate one of these. Pretty good, that.
Wicked.
Well, impressed with that. Slide up there. Yeah. Just slide up there. What do you want? Something like this. Yep.
Gotta save. Keep it that way, yeah. Try and let the water out a bit. Oh no! Yeah, let the water go out.
Oh, there's something in it.
Something in it.
Oh, no, keep that here.
I was not losing that.
That's determination, that.
Careful, that'll be sharp, actually.
Well done, Gareth. Again.
It's fine.
Oh, there's blue, some of blue in there.
Empty.
Keep.
Empty. Been busted already.
Yeah.
Just put the shit back in there, haven't they?
Just it's, even though it's crap, it's still checking.
Something's blues in there, though.
Yeah. Is it mobile?
On the right side.
Got put your hand to look at water out first. Ooh, set of keys. CEX. Snort that. Another key.
Still bits in there.
Empty that. Seems to be this side of the bridge, doesn't it?
Keys. There's plenty of keys. Key fob for a door. I'll have to keep some of the keys in there. It's got to be a business. Because you
Yeah.
You wouldn't have so many keys in your house, would you? More keys. More keys.
Well, we've tried cutting it on the bottom, haven't they?
20p as well.
Hey, rich. It's definitely from a business.
Yeah, it's definitely in it. estate agents or something.
Shame the petty cash has been busted open.
Yeah, as soon as I seen that, my eyes lit up.
Yeah, this is back. I think it's some sort of office.
Yeah, definite.
Meeting room.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
definite.
office, isn't it? It's a meeting room. Front door.
Jason's
That
just
is
got
mint.
the second camera now.
Yeah. Camera buddies.
That's it.
Look at that.
Two of them there now. That's Gareth's one and that's my one.
Hey, proper old school.